Hey everyone, the Fujitsu Arrows Alpha F-51F marks a striking return for the brand in Japan's premium Android smartphone segment, blending cutting-edge hardware with durability and advanced connectivity. Slated for release through NTT Docomo later this summer, this phone brings together high-performance internals and practical features in a sleek yet resilient chassis. Although pricing and release specifics remain under wraps for now, the specifications signal a confident push into flagship territory. The core of the Alpha F-51F is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Extreme, a potent octa-core chipset engineered for demanding tasks and fluid multitasking. Paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM, the device has ample memory to support heavy usage. Storage is equally robust, with 512 gigabytes of internal space that can be expanded up to 2 terabytes via microSD. Running Android 15 out of the box, the device offers the latest in software capabilities and security enhancements. The phone's 6.4-inch OLED display delivers rich contrast and smooth visuals with a 144 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for gamers and multimedia consumers. The resolution of 2670 by 1200 pixels ensures crisp clarity, while the compact footprint of the screen contributes to an ergonomic experience. This is not a massive phablet. It remains manageable in the hand, weighing just 188 grams with dimensions of 156 by 72 by 8.8 millimeters. Photography is a standout area for the Arrows Alpha F-51F. On the rear, the phone features a dual-sensor setup, headlined by a 50.3 megapixels Sony Lydia LYT700C main sensor. This allows for excellent light intake and dynamic range, giving it flagship-level imaging capabilities. Accompanying this is a 49.9 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, ensuring wide-angle shots don't skimp on detail. On the front, another 49.9 megapixel sensor handles selfies. Battery life should be more than sufficient for daily use, thanks to the 5,000 mAh battery. What truly sets it apart, however, is the 90-watt wired charging via USB Type-C, which ensures minimal downtime even when the battery runs low. The lack of a headphone jack is one of the few omissions, though this is in line with broader industry trends. The Arrows Alpha F-51F is built for resilience as much as performance. It carries IP68 and IP69 certifications, making it highly resistant to water and dust, ideal for users in harsh environments or those who simply want extra peace of mind. The build is further complemented by stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support and Miracast-enabled DisplayPort 1.4 for high-quality wireless screen sharing. Connectivity is future-proof and wide-ranging, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and support for both eSIM and NanoSIM. The phone also includes comprehensive support for 5G, 4G, 3G, and GSM across multiple global frequency bands, making it a good choice for international travelers. A dedicated action key provides quick access to specific features or apps, adding a layer of utility for power users. Offered in classic black and white finishes, the Arrows Alpha F-51F stands out as a well-rounded and forward-thinking device. It brings a rare combination of rugged certification, high-end performance, and premium photography features, packaged in a compact and elegant form. As Fujitsu gears up to release it later this summer, the Alpha F-51F could serve as a powerful contender in the Japanese high-end Android market. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.